lost control during a landing back in May. Now, here's a live look right now from our airport camera. The National Transportation Safety Board says the plane with 14 people on board sustained substantial damage after landing during heavy rain on May 27th. The Birmingham airport says the plane was able to exit the runway. That runway was then briefly closed while crews made sure no debris was left behind. No one on board was hurt. And while we know from the reports that it was raining, we turn to the Weather Authority, of course, to get a more detailed look of that day.
Meteorologist Evan Chivera actually pulled the radar data from May 27th to see how heavy that rain was.
Y'all, this was interesting to look at, fascinating. So first we look at this picture, right? There is the storm in question at 1:07, roughly about the time or 1 minute prior to this plane landing. The plane indicates the direction of the airport. The runways run, at least on this day, from southwest to northeast. All right, so we look at that, then we look at the rain rates, okay? This is not just a thunderstorm. This is a downpour, perhaps not quite a microburst. The winds were not that strong, but when you talk about rain rates in the rate of 5 inches per hour, that core right in there would be blinding, almost impossible to see. Car, plane, you name it. Does not surprise me there was an issue with visibility. Furthermore, then we look at the velocity data. There was one gate that picked up a 38-mile-an-hour wind gust right around the time of this incident. Now, granted, it was displaced just a little bit, but it stands to reason between scans the wind did pick up there and could have played an issue or a role. And furthermore, there is a look at the winds going against where the plane would have been landing. There's that towering thunderstorm creating that downdraft. All of that together, bad timing, would likely have played a big role in that plane getting pushed off the runway.